Okay, we're starting Turbo Pascal and we wait it to launch. Just ignore the first error and we go to File and Start New Program. Okay, we add use a CRT as the first instruction, begin and end. That's it for your first Turbo Pascal program. So we're gonna do a simple thing. Okay, just go to the screen and start to write some characters, and the usual character, the user instruction for that is write ln. Okay, and the message we want to have on our screen, and let's choose the usual hello world. Don't forget to put a semicolon at the end of each instruction and put a read ln just to make the program waiting for you after he finishes execution. So basically it's not important to have the lines, each instruction on each line, but it's just a matter to have the code easy to read. Okay, so you can really put one instruction after another, it doesn't change anything, it will be the same. Okay, but the purpose is just to have a more readable content of your program, and usually it's the best practice to make your program as readable as possible. Okay, so to launch the program, easy, you have to compile to check your program. So I see the message compile successful. This is compiling. Compiling actually is making your program check if your program is okay, and that's it, everything is okay. And once we have that, we can make a run. Okay, and you can choose the menu run. That's it, and you can see the first line is saying we are using Turbo Pascal, okay, version 7. And this is it. We have our message on the screen. Hello world. And we just put you type anything from the keyboard, and we do have return to our program. So this is it. This is your first Turbo Pascal program. Okay. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to put a like, and see you in the next video.